ananas. Here in Hawaii and in Maui, we call pineapple hala kahiki. Everybody, hala?
Hala.
Kahiki.
Kahiki.
Hala from the hala tree, and kahiki means foreign land or foreign fruit. Okay? Alright, this is the processing plant. I'm going to talk a little bit about it before we get out. Now right here to the left, this is the float tank with the gentleman standing with the big hook. Alright, so on the right, these crates, each crate holds 5,000 pounds of pineapple. Okay? They're going to bring one over in a forklift. They'll drop it down inside the vat right here, and they're actually going to wash the pineapple in a solution called ozone. Now what ozone is, it's a vegetable and fruit soap. So they're going to wash the bacteria off the pineapple. Two things happen. They wash the pineapple and they float the pineapple in the tank. Similar to how they float cranberries. Alright, good cranberries and good pineapple, they float to the surface. The bad ones sink to the bottom of the container. Okay? Distillery. They go up and out. Okay? Now, gin, bourbon, vodka, wine, and beer. All the small pineapples. 80% of the bigger pineapple, they stay right here in Maui. We don't ship anywhere else in the world. We only ship to the United States and only to you guys. No grocery store. Just personal shipment overnight. Alright? Now, this table right here, this is the taste tester table. We got a couple ladies, been here over 20 years. What they do before we harvest, they taste pineapple from the field.
All right, we got to tour the factory. So we had to put on these hairnets in order to go in there. It's really stylish, right? All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit.
That's where everybody flew into. Now, to the right of Haliʻimaile Harbor is Baldwin Beach. Remember I said the Baldwins brought the first commercial pineapples here in 1890. To the right of Baldwin Beach, the coastal town of Paia, P-A-I-A. Great place to have lunch or dinner. Now, to the left is from the deer. Okay? The deer have decapitated every single one of these plants. They like this corner for some reason.